Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be teaching you about the Hyperlapse, which is one of the top intelligent flight modes that you can use with your drone to get some insane shots. So today we've got the drone in the air over there, it's going right now, and we're going to show you how to edit this Hyperlapse back in the studio with Hunter.
Thanks for the intro, Brando. We had such a fun time shooting just a few days ago. Welcome back to the Altitude University drone community. Happy Friday. I hope you had an amazing week. Today, like Brando said, we're going to be talking about the Hyperlapse tutorial. We will do another video on how to actually capture it in your drone itself, but today we're just going to go over the editing process of it and how to create basically a loop back and forth between however many clips you have. So let's jump right into Premiere here and get it going. All right, here we are in Premiere, and we have these two Hyperlapse clips we got that were set at 3 minutes each and took a picture, I think, every 5 seconds. So that's one, and then this is two. So we want to create a loop with these two clips. So let's just drag this whole clip in here first, and then we'll do the same thing with this one. We'll drag this one in. Cool. So as you can see, this one that moves up with the road, and then this one which is moving backwards. So we want all of this to be moving forward, so we're going to reverse this one first. If we press Command R, it'll open up the clip speed duration, reverse speed, check that, hit OK. Now this clip will actually move forward instead of backwards. So let's start with this clip here. Forward, boom, right there. And let's say halfway through in, if you press C for the shortcut, that'll cut whichever section of your clip. And then we want to drag in this one. So we'll have this move forward, this move up, and then we will use the remaining section of this clip, and then we're going to reverse this whole thing. So let's see how this looks. So forward, down and up, and then boom, the rest of the clip. Cool, so now that we have all these three, we're going to reverse the whole thing, which means we're going to start with this one. So to duplicate, if you hold down Option and drag it, it will duplicate that clip. Command R to open speed duration and uncheck it. So now it's actually reversed. It's normal now, so it goes, watch this here. Boom, so now it'll go back. And then we want to take the next one, this one, Option, drag, it'll duplicate it. Command R, we want to reverse it, open the speed duration, check this, boom, and now watch what's going to happen here. Reverse, reverse, down, down, boom, and then we just need the one last clip, the third one, Option, drag, again, then we want to reverse the speed. Let me drag my color over the entire section here. And look what we just created in less than 2 minutes. And if you want to play with it more, say you want this clip first, you basically, since this whole section, these three clips are the normal ones, and then the next three are reversed. So if you want to change anything, just make sure you delete the 3 or however many of the reversed section, and then go back and play with that however you want. So we could totally restart and make this however we want. You know, if you want to start with the road clip first, boom, moving up, and say, you know, halfway in right there, say halfway in, we want this section and we want our first, boom, so say we want that to come up after, so go there to there, then reverse this, so we could actually put 4 clips here this time, and the remaining section of it. So let's see how this looks. Boom, 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 and then all you're gonna do is reverse backwards, so same thing here, boom, Command R, speed duration, take the second clip, speed duration, the third clip, speed duration, and the last clip, speed and duration. And just like that, look how fast we just made a loop. Clip 2, clip 3, 4, and then it's gonna reverse the entire thing. Boom, back, back, boom. Just like that. I hope that was helpful. Like I said, Brando and I will actually show a tutorial on how to film that hyperlapse itself in your drone, but we just wanted to go over the editing process and show you could create a very simple loop that's very cool to watch, super fun. So thank you so much, have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.